I've heard something recently that your strongest memory of pretend play as a child is oftentimes what you are. So my strongest memory of pretend play was teaching cooking. My earliest memory of learning to cook, I think about my mom for sure. She was a home economist. She was a great cook. She was always coming up with new recipes in the kitchen. Learning how to write a recipe and learning to think from the place of the home cook and how they would approach the recipe was a pretty big learning curve for me. Writing recipes is very, very important to the success of my business, and it's definitely something that keeps my customers coming back. When I was at the John Folse Culinary Institute, I studied under Marcelle Bienvenue. She's the one who taught me how to write a proper recipe. We've had customers come in and take classes who were not cooks at all. Probably my most satisfying moment is when folks come in and they tell me how much cooking they're doing, and we've taken them from zero cooking to cooking from whole ingredients 3-4 nights a week and enjoying it, all because of the classes they took here. I love to watch everyone come into the class at the beginning, and there's a little bit of trepidation, there's a little bit of wondering what's going to happen here, and by the end they're all taking selfies. The friendships that you make is as important as the instruction that took place during the classes. So at some point in the evening, we stop the teaching, we seat you at the table, and we serve you the meal. We know there's magic when the folks sit and gather, and to be able to provide that to them at the end of the cooking class, we just think is the icing on the cake.